Hello treasure hunter, is KitchenAid's Artisan Espresso Grinder? No, it isn't. Would you like to see why it isn't? On the internal adjustment, you can go finer than that. These are my favorite bins. This is the finest setting for espresso. Just by looking at the grind size, it doesn't look like it's fine enough. Oh, look at this beautiful machine. So 26 grams in about 15 seconds is a little quick. But it actually smells like a coffee. It's disgusting. It's too sour, and I don't like it. I don't like it, and I don't want to drink it. I want to improve this cup, and let me teach you how to improve disgusting cup. This is how you improve disgusting espresso shot. Add few drops of grappa. It smells like grapes. That's what I'm talking about. Now tell me in the comments, do you like KitchenAid's Artisan Coffee Grinder? Can you make espresso with it? Oh, you need to use pressurized portafilter. Okay. Thank you. Goodbye. If today is your birthday, congratulations. Happy birthday.